Tired of bland coffee because you're not grinding your beans fresh? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Coffee Grinder. Let's kick things off with the Amazon Basics Fast Electric Coffee Grinder, priced at just $15.86. Honestly, the heavy-duty stainless steel grind blades caught my attention right away. If you want a simple and effective grinder, this is worth a serious look. The Amazon Basics grinder can handle up to 30 grams of beans in just 10 seconds, which means you can enjoy that fresh brew without wasting time. It's not just for coffee beans. You can also grind herbs, spices, and even nuts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a rush, this grinder gets the job done fast without sacrificing flavor. Now, some reviews mentioned that the grinder can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, most grinders make noise, and for the price, this one is still a solid performer. It's a small trade-off for getting freshly ground coffee at home. This grinder is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want something that just works. Skip this if you need advanced grind settings, as it's pretty basic. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the noise factor is a deal breaker for you, this next one might actually be even better for quieter grinding.
Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder, which is only $19.95. What really stood out to me was the removable chamber that makes cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for an easy-to-use grinder that won't create a mess, this might be the one for you. This grinder can grind enough beans for up to 12 cups of coffee, which is perfect if you're hosting friends or family. Plus, it's quieter than many competitors, which is a big plus for those early mornings. Here's why this matters. You can brew a fresh pot without waking everyone up. The dishwasher-safe grinding bowl means you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your coffee. However, some users mentioned that it struggles with very oily beans. Here's the thing, if you're grinding standard coffee beans, you should be fine. But if you tend to go for those gourmet blends, this may not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you appreciate convenience and want a grinder that's easy to operate. Skip this if you only like oily coffee beans. For under $20, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but if you want a more compact design, the next one on the list might catch your interest.
Product number 3, Black & Decker One-Touch Grinder. The Black & Decker One-Touch Coffee Grinder is up next, priced at $22.09. The one-touch push-button control is super easy to use, and I loved how it gives you the ability to customize the grind consistency. If you want control over your grind without any fuss, this is a great pick. With a capacity for 2/3 of a cup of beans, it's perfect for both daily use and entertaining. The lid-locking safety feature means you won't have to worry about any spills, which is a huge plus. Here's why this matters. It allows you to focus on brewing rather than cleaning up a mess. The stainless steel blades ensure a uniform grind, which is essential for getting that perfect cup of coffee. But some users pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to get very fine grinds. Here's my take. If you primarily brew drip coffee or French press, this shouldn't be an issue, but espresso lovers may find it lacking. This is ideal for you if you want something straightforward that delivers consistent results. Skip this if you're an espresso aficionado looking for ultra-fine grinds. For the price, it really does give you a lot of value. Now, if you're seeking a grinder that works well with spices too, you'll want to hear about the next one.
Product number 4, we have the Wonkel Electric Coffee Grinder, which retails for just $14.99. What struck me about this model is its pure copper motor, which promises to maintain the flavor of your beans. If you want to enjoy a rich and aromatic cup of coffee, this is definitely worth considering. The Wonkel can handle up to 60 grams of beans at once and allows you to control the grind consistency with just a press of a button. This means you can easily switch from coarse to fine grinding. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed to give you your perfect cup, whether you're making espresso or French press. Plus, the transparent lid lets you see your grind in progress, so you can stop right when you hit the right consistency. However, some folks noted that it can struggle with larger quantities. Here's the thing. If you're just brewing for yourself or one other person, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but larger households might need to grind in batches. This grinder is perfect for you if you enjoy a variety of brews and appreciate a precise grind. Skip this if you often need to grind for multiple cups at once. At under $15, it's an easy choice for budget-conscious coffee lovers. Now, if you want a bit more power, let's talk about the next product on the list.
Product number 5, Krupp's Precision Electric Coffee Grinder. We have the Krupp's Precision Electric Coffee Grinder priced at $24.99. The first thing I noticed was its powerful 200W motor, which is impressive at this price point. If you're serious about your coffee, this grinder deserves your attention. With a capacity of 3 ounces, you can grind enough beans for up to 12 cups, making it ideal for gatherings. The one-touch operation simplifies the grinding process, giving you precise control over your grind consistency. Here's why this matters. It means you can easily switch between brewing methods, whether it's espresso or cold brew. The safety mechanism prevents spills, which is a smart design feature. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for storage. Here's my perspective. If you're planning to keep it on your countertop, this shouldn't bother you, but if space is tight, it might be an issue. This grinder is perfect for you if you want a reliable and powerful option that delivers consistent results. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra compact. For just under $25, it's a solid investment for coffee enthusiasts.
So to recap, we've covered the Amazon Basics, Hamilton Beach, Black + Decker, Wankel, and Krupp's grinders. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Krupp's because of its power and consistency, which is essential for any serious coffee lover. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Wankel if you're frequently brewing for a crowd. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.